Welcome back. Today we're diving into the head and removing the valve springs, keepers, valves, and valve seals. For this project, you're going to need some kind of valve spring compressor tool. There's lots of different styles out there, and I'll be using this one. Let's start by knocking the springs loose so they're easier to compress. Grab a socket that's roughly the same size as the spring and give it a whap. You're just trying to break the seal, so compressing the springs will be easier when we break out the tool. Our main goal is to remove the two little keepers that hold the spring in place. I had 2 of them pop out while hammering. Next, I'm going to turn the head on its side and grab the compression tool. The compression tool works by placing one side on the bottom of the valve and the other side over the spring. As it tightens, the spring compresses and allows access to the keepers inside. Here we go. I'm slowly going to turn the handle and compress the springs. If you haven't done this before, it can feel a little sketchy. Like one slip of the tool and that spring can come firing out and shoot across the room. Yes, I have my safety glasses on. Here you can see the little keeper I'm after. I'm using a magnet to try and get it out of there. I was having a little trouble getting this one, but keep at it. Eventually you'll get the feel for it and the rest will be easier. I found that moving the compressor tool around a little gave me the slack needed to get it out. Next, back the tool off and loosen any pressure on the spring. From here, we can easily pull the spring off the head. Careful not to drop the cap, it's just loosely sitting there. Now the spring have a top and a bottom. If you put the cap in the bottom, it'll be loose and have a lot of play. Put it in the top and it fits like a glove. Next, you can push the tip of the valve and slide it out of the head. There's one, 11 to go. Since I'm hoping to reuse these valves, I'll keep them in order and have the machine shop see if they can work their magic and save them. Let's do another one. Grab your tool and compress the spring. Get a magnet. Remove the keeper. Loosen the compression tool. Remove the spring and cap. Push out the valve. Next, we have the valve stem seals. I'm just going to grab a shop rag and pull these off. I'll be replacing these, so I'm not too worried about them. And here's how it looks after removing all 12 valves. You can see the valve seats are going to need some attention. I've got all the valve springs stored for later, along with the valves. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll be removing the cam.